Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2021.5 Volkswagen Atlas SEL Premium R-Line. This particular one's pure white with a Shetland beige interior. It's Shetland beige leather interior with a quartzite leather stripe. It features 21-inch Brazelton wheels, R-Line badging, R-Line body colored paint down below, LED headlights, LED running lights, piano black and chrome air intakes on the front. Nice sweeping line down the side, from the headlights, down under the door handles, and into the wheel arch in the rear and into the tail light. Features keyless entry on 4 doors, easy kick open hatch, quad faux exhaust tips at the back, oversized reflector there, LED tail lights, new Volkswagen logo there, silver roof rails, panoramic sunroof, power folding mirrors. Let's take a look inside. 3-seat memory right here, along with lumbar support forward and back and your seat back. There's your quartzite stripe up the side here and behind the shoulders. And as we climb in, sorry, there's a cleaning crew in the building. There's a look at your instrument cluster. Also, you have Fender audio right here. Power door locks, power, like I said, power mirrors, power folding mirrors. One touch up, one touch down on all your windows. And then you also have this easy open lift gate down here. So if I lift up on that guy right there, it's going to open that lift gate back there. And then I can lift up on it and hold it. And it's going to close that lift gate. Key is you have to hold it until it closes. I've also opened up the giant sunshade on that giant panoramic sunroof for you. Just open that up right there. That panel stacks on top of that panel there. You do also have the edgeless auto dimming mirror in this one with the MDO package. It's 3-door garage door memory down at the base. Vanity mirror right here with an LED light. Same with right here. CarNet, free of charge for 5 years. Roadside assistance free for 3 years. Right there. That auto dimming mirror is pretty awesome. Also, automatic headlights, all weather lights, coin box for storage down here, at still a tilting adjustable steering wheel right there, stainless steel chrome colored pedal caps down below, leather wrap flat bottom steering wheel with a sport grip on the sides here, flat silver finish right here, piano black treatment right there, MIB3 radio with gesture control, updated navigation, very nice setup. Okay, so with gesture control, I just wake it up with my hand there and swipe across. I'm going to do it with this hand. There's your gesture control. I can go through to 36 presets. Pretty nice that I can do that. Also, I have navigation. This is a new age navigation here. So with this here, I have gesture control on that as well. I can take it and put it over here. I can change this between the dial screen, the wide screen, and the crop screen. I can change the information in there. That's editable. And then you also have the compass and a status bar right here for your navigation. Now this does come with App Connect. That's your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. They work wirelessly now. So they work in your pocket. That's right, in your pocket. USB-C connections down here for high-speed data transfer, wireless charging right there, and a 12-volt charger right there. Dual zone climate zone with heated and ventilated seats. Also, I have the climate control at a touchscreen. I can switch between front and rear controls. I can also bring up air care. This is my air filtration system, make that active. This is going to filter out cigarette smoke and things outside the car, dead skunks, things of that nature, and you won't smell them inside the car. Very nice setup there. The backup camera is spectacular. It's an HD camera with trajectory steering. Wheel turns, the yellow line turns left or right with the wheel. Green line signifies straight back. Red line signifies bumper. Over here, we deleted the CD player. Now you just have an SD card holder set up here, and the CD player is gone. No SD card reader either. As you look around here, you're going to see the Shetland beige seat with that quartzite stripe right there. This is full leather, heated and ventilated, as I said before. And then also you have in the door panel This stitch, this premium stitch right here is Shetland beige. Very nice. Let's take a look at the second row. These come with captain's chairs. The captain's chairs are also leather. They're also heated in the second row. You have an armrest lock right here. You can adjust where this locks down at. Climate control right here. USB-C right here. 3-prong plug-in right here. You also have sunscreens right here. You also have the stitched or tailored door insets here as well. Lots of leg room here. Black carpet on the floor, because we understand with Shetland it's going to get dirt on it. So they put black carpet on the floor, black in spaces that's going to get scuffed or damaged, so you don't have to deal with that. There's a look up at the giant roof. There's a look at the third row seats. What's nice about these seats is if you have a booster seat, you just leave it strapped in. You lift up on this seat and pitch it forward, and you don't have to remove it to climb into the third row. Access is super easy. There's a look at those Brazelton wheels right there, LED tails. And here's that lift gate. It's a power lift gate. It's also an easy open lift gate. There's a look through. All 6 seats there. Giant panoramic sunroof. Remember that front panel of glass does slide and stack on top of that other one, so it does open. There's your climate control center right there for your second row and third row passengers. C-pillar right there, and right there the vents for those, so you don't freeze in the winter and swelter in the summer. Your passengers have total comfort. These seats will fold flat, flick of a wrist just like that. You can also pull up on this right here and lock the seat back. Same with this one right here. Monster mats come with this, cargo blocks as well. Cargo cover down below. As I said, this is an MDO package. That's $810 extra. There's a look at that cargo cover right there, a privacy cover. Your subwoofer's right below that. That's a quick release subwoofer. And you have a carpeted floor with your spare underneath that. Again, this car is $53,425. This one is sold. I do have more coming. So if you're interested in this one, give me a call. There's a look at those quad exhaust tips. This car comes with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. It's 4 years, 50,000 miles, 2 years of free maintenance. Your 10 and 20,000-mile oil change are covered by the dealership. Also, if you buy from us at Bommarito St. Peter's, we're going to give you a 3rd year of free maintenance included. So your 10, 20, and 30,000-mile oil change are covered. That is a local deal only, so you'll have to come to our dealership to get that deal. Also, if you buy from us, you're going to get a 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. Again, if you're interested in this car or any other one, please give me a call, 636-290-4257. 636-290-4257. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great evening. Happy holidays and stay safe.